to earth in an electrically undamaged circuit. Current. Flow of electric charge through a conductor. Bonding conductor. Conductor, including any clamp or terminal, that connects together exposed conductive parts, extraneous conductive parts or both exposed and extraneous conductive parts, with the object of bringing such parts to the same electrical potential. Fault-free. Arrangement of conductors for which, under normal operating conditions, the occurrence of a short circuit fault between phases or between phases and earth is only a remote possibility. Insulation. Basic insulation. Insulation applied to live parts to provide basic protection against electric shock. Protective conductor. P means conductor provided for purposes of safety protection against electric shock, and that also connects the supply earth to the consumer's earth terminal. Fixed appliance. Appliance that is fastened or otherwise secured at a specific location, and that would require the use of tools to be moved to another location. Protective conductor. P means conductor provided for purposes of safety protection against electric shock, and that also connects the supply earth to the consumer's earth terminal. Protective earth and neutral conductor. Pen conductor. Conductor that forms part of a supply combining the functions of both protective earthing conductor and neutral conductor. The conductor is also connected to the other earth, electrodes and exposed conductive parts of the low voltage supply. Certificate of compliance. COC. Certificate that is issued by a registered person in respect of an electrical installation or part of an electrical installation. Earth fault current. Fault current that flows to earth. Overload current. Overcurrent that occurs in an electrically undamaged circuit. Authorized. Authorized by the relevant regulator. Series connected system. Cascaded system. Protection system that allows for the installation of circuit breakers that cannot necessarily be rated to handle the full prospective short circuit current at their point of installation, provided that they are backed up by another fully rated circuit breaker in a predetermined and tested coordination. Mineral insulated metal sheathed cable. Cable in which the conductors are insulated by a highly compressed, refractory, mineral insulating material, such as magnesia, and are contained in a solid drawn hard metal sheath. Fire officer. Officer or any person to whom such power has been duly delegated, who is appointed by a local authority to administer its bylaws and any relevant statutory regulations relating to fire protection. Point of outlet. Termination of an electrical installation, which has been provided for connecting any electrical machinery without the use of a tool, provided that no connection to a busbar is deemed to be a point of outlet. See circuit outlet. Building element. Part of a premises such as a wall, floor, ceiling or partition. Extra low voltage ELV. Voltage that does not exceed 50 volts VAC or 120 volts VDC. Electrode water heater. Device that is designed to heat water or other liquid by passing electricity between electrodes immersed in the water or liquid. The device may convert water to steam. Fuse. Device that, by the melting of one or more of its specifically designed and dimensioned elements, opens the circuit in which it is inserted if the current that flows through it exceeds the rated current for a specified time. Residential installation. Electrical installation in a private dwelling or in an individual dwelling unit, including installations in flats, hotels, boarding houses or other residential institutions. Conductor. Material that is capable of conducting electric current. Supply earth terminal. Clamp or terminal at the point of supply to which the supply protective conductor is connected. Point of consumption. Point of outlet, or the supply terminal of machinery that is not connected to a point of outlet, and that converts electrical energy to another form of energy, provided that in the case of machinery that has been installed for any specific purpose as a complete unit, the point of consumption is the supply terminals that have been provided on the unit of machinery for that purpose. Supplier. In relation to a particular installation, any local authority, statutory body or person who supplies, contracts or agrees to supply electricity to that electrical installation. Electric fence. Means an electrified barrier against the trespass of persons or animals, which consists of one or more bare conductors. General control. Includes the instruction, guidance and supervision of registered person over electrical installation work that is being carried out. Protected socket outlet. Socket outlet combined with, or adjacent to and protected by, a device that has either overload protection, or earth leakage protection. Appliance. Machine, tool, device or instrument that is operated by electricity for the purpose of doing work, or for providing heat, light or motion, or in which electrical energy is modified into another form of energy. Armored cable. Cable that has a covering of metallic wires or galvanized steel wires, or steel tape as a protection against mechanical damage. Earth. So connected to the general mass of Earth as to ensure, at all times, an immediate discharge of electrical energy without Danger. Shaver supply unit. Accessory that embodies an isolating transformer with limited output and one or more socket outlets that allow the use of only one plug at a time. Equipotential bonding terminal. Terminal fitted to equipment or to a device and intended for the electric connection with the equipotential bonding system. Specialized electrical installation. Electrical installation such as in a hazardous location, as described in SANS 10108. An explosive atmosphere, as described in SANS 10086-1, c. The petroleum industry, as described in SANS 10089-2, and a medical location, as described in 7.7 of this part of SANS 10142.